I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough, you wanna hate this,
Alright guys, I'm going to be taking out the Sunfire today. I'll be running it on 3S. I'm just running it around the park. It's kind of a hot day. Gives me something to do. Let's see if we can correct the steering on this thing. Okay. Morning. He'll probably try to chase it.
Yeah.
Okay, I've speeded up the footage a little bit here. My goal is to go to 3 random parks today and just kind of explore around through the parks and see what's there, you know. We'll go up the curb. Will it? Nah, it's like, oh, no way, man. It's not made for that. But it tried. This is kind of the hardest part about driving a car and trying to film behind it, because it's hard to keep up with the car from one thing, and you know, it's just kind of a pain. And doing the voiceover afterwards is kind of weird. Here there was like a circle you could go around a bunch of times, and then I went down another trail and just went up to some houses, went back out of there and back down the trail. And let's see where I'm going here. Yeah, like I say, it's just real hard to film and follow a car. I would think on a bicycle it might be okay. 2 people would be totally okay. Okay, I'm at park number 2, checking it out to see what's available here, see what kind of terrain there is. Trying to find places that I could drive on road. Nobody even comes to this park. It's such a little park. Okay, we're back to high speed again. Obviously, I couldn't drive this good. My car's not that fast. This car's running the 85 amp Spektrum ESC and motor combo. I don't even know the kV on the motor, but it's a good little setup for this car because it's pretty lightweight. Buzzing around a little basketball court here. I don't know, something to do. I think with a couple small cars it'd be really nice. Can't give it too much power. Well, let's see what the off-road area looks like over here. Just looks like a little straight run, really. If that's anything. I'm running the Sunfire on the Radiolink system, so I've got the receiver with the gyro in it, so it kind of helps out a little bit. I don't notice it helping so much on the street, but more in the dirt, because it just doesn't get that good of traction. It seems to help. Okay, so here I'm attempting to go up a little hill. Didn't make it. Did two attempts, didn't make it. I did make it later coming back, but so I'm just going down the trail, down. Morning, sir. Oh, your little guy's gonna say, "What is that?" How old is your dog?
How old is he?
Yeah.
8 years old, man.
Oh, okay. I got one that's 17.
17
And he's still
Chihuahua?
kicking along. 17 years old. Yeah.
That's the dream, dude. You know?
Where does this trail go?
I just lead you to the street, up to the light.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. It's water, nice shade. It's so nice.
Dude, it's relaxing, man.
Yeah, it's very relaxing. It's nice and shady and stuff. It's nice. I don't know how far I'm going to go, but we'll see. Along the road, man. Okay, so it does come back out to the road. Over here. So you can approach it from here. That's kind of cool. And that's pretty much the end of it. Everything ends. Actually, this is a pretty cool place here for doing speed runs. It's speed run city here. I'm not doing a speed run, but I'll do something. I can't even see my car. God, you could do a good speed run here. You know, sometimes you find gems. All you can do is hit some dirt at the end. Got a curb down there, but... Alright, let's get back to the trail. Whoops. A lot of water down in there. Pretty mucky. Not very good for driving or anything, though. Okay, I'm at the Cal Oaks Park today, and this one has a little skateboard track. Dangerous. How you doing, buddy? Is it okay if I run around a little bit?
It's all good.
Okay. Anything for YouTube, huh? That's what I'm doing it for. Yeah. But I'm not a very good driver, though. Whoa. That's how you break them. Come on, give me some reverse. As you can see here, my driving skills aren't the greatest. I probably should get my car out of this area because these skate parks are very dangerous for beginner drivers. I'm going to explore the park again, a little POV, go action, and just kind of see what the park has. The last run at the little skate track here, pretty brutal on this car. You can't really take that. So it's a pretty big park, man. It's got a lot of different areas, which is cool. Real cool, man. Look at that trees going on. Okay, it's got a big grass field out here. Pretty intriguing. Okay, you can see like a really big berm coming up that kind of divides the two ball fields. I think if you had like a nice 6F Typhon or something and you blasted it, you'd probably hit that berm and go quite a ways. I think it would make a really good jump. I don't know, I'll try it with my little 3S Typhon, maybe I could do it. I really don't know a lot about the Sunfire, the history of it and whatnot. I know that the what's that? Red Cat Racing dog bones will fit this car, so that's nice. The dog bones seem to bend quite easily. That's about the only thing I've really damaged on this car. It's been a pretty good car, and I just thought I need to get it out there and run it. It's not the most exciting car on the planet, but I think it's a great little car for if you had like a couple of them that you could just race against each other. I think in conclusion with this little car, it's not much of an off-road basher because it's a little hard to control in the dirt and it kind of can get damaged pretty easily. But I think on like if you want to do speed runs, it'd probably be a pretty good car. Mainly because of its lightweight. It's real squirrely in the dirt. This thing has a gyro, so maybe I should put the gyro on. Well, I'm getting low battery on my transmitter now, so I better just take her on home. Look at old wobbler. Wobbly. Turn the gyro down. Jam across the field now. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna close the video out here. I had a good time with it and I found some pretty cool little parks, so I'm happy with that. You guys have a great day and enjoy your cars. Every little car counts, you know, even the little ones. They're fun to drive too. Gotta take them all out.